Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today the date is July 31st, 11 p.m. So today we have done 3 trades. Today we are going to discuss a volume based confirmation trade apart from price action, breakouts or breakdown strategy. Okay, so we have done today three trades. Two have gone good for us, one has gone wrong. So let's discuss the trade. I have done today's trade based on volume confirmation only. Okay, so this is a trade how we can manage a trade using our volume confirmations. So first let's discuss about our first trade. Okay, so my first trade was in SBI Life. This is the 3 minute chart. Okay, so this trade, apart from my usual breakdown strategy over here, I have also tried my trade based on volume confirmations over here. Okay, what do I mean by volume confirmation? So let's see over here. Market has started from here. Okay, we see first red candle, second red candle, third red candle. What we see over here, we see increased volume. Okay, when the market was on selling side, we do see increased volume. Now let's see what happens when market is on the buying side. We see two green candles over here. When market is on the buying side, what do we see is decrease in volume. Okay, again let's see what happens when market is on the selling side. When market is on the selling side, again we see a increased volume compared to the buying volume. So this is why first reason for going towards the selling side based on volume confirmation. So here what I see, when market was on selling side, we do see increased volume. When market was on buying side, we do see decreased volume. So what do we get an idea? We do get an idea of an increased selling pressure going on in the market in SBI live stock. So this is my first reason to go towards the selling side. And second reason being a price action, our entry point will always be in a breakout or breakdown. So I have worked on this breakdown. So my second reason is we have worked on this breakdown. After this breakdown, I have ended over here and looking at a 1:1 ratio, I have exited. Okay. So first trade, we have used volume confirmation trades. We found that increased volume led to our selling side and we worked on this breakdown. Another reason for going to this trade is in daily chart. Yesterday SBI Life stock was on its top gainers list and it had a huge buy volume. Okay, so it had to retrace, and what do we see over here is a Marabosu candle with no wick on the top side. Okay, no wick on the top side, and this is a Marabosu candle which we see, so which indicates after a strong buying there is some retracement or selling pressure. We confirmed our selling pressure using the 3 minute chart with volume confirmation. Okay, so three reasons for my trade was today's action was based on volume and this breakdown, and yesterday SBI Life was on its top gainers list. Okay, three reasons for today's trade in SBI Life stock. Okay, now coming to our second stock, that is Dr. Reddy. Yesterday all knew that Dr. Reddy was on the 52-week breakout. So today I was just tracking. I didn't think of a buying or selling, but I was tracking from morning the stock. So again, we have tried this stock based on only volume confirmation. Let's see the stock. Market started from here. Okay, we see the volume in the selling side over here. Whenever market is on the buying side, we get a huge volume. When market is on the selling side, we get a low volume. When market is on the buying side, we get a huge volume. So this is my reason for going towards buying side. Reason number one. This trade also I have done purely based on volume confirmation trades. Okay, now looking for a good point to enter. Our good point to enter will be at a good support point. So I was tracking my support and resistance over here. As soon as I get this green candle, I was tracking over here. Okay, reason number three is over here I could see exhaustion volume candles. So after exhaustion volume candles and at its support zone, I was waiting for a good green candle to form. At this green candle, I did take my entry, giving a. I was looking to do a scalping and exit at the nearby support points. But what did I see is I saw a breakout over here, so I just waited a bit and I exited over here. So three reasons for taking Dr. Reddy's trade was, first is purely based on volume confirmation trade, looking at the selling side, buying side, and the volume confirmation. So on the buying side, we do see increased volume. That was my first reason for going to Dr. Buying side. Second, I was looking for a good point to enter. So this was the exact point where we see exhaustion candles, and at the support, I was looking for a good green candle I could get over here, and I ended over here. So these are our two trades. And Apollo Hospital also, I had tried the same setup, but that didn't work out well. Okay? So today's three trade, I have discussed all the three trades were based on volume action only. Two went right for me, one didn't go that well. We have booked a profit of 2314 for the day. So today's was a volume confirmatory trade. Hope this information was helpful for you. So thank you, and that's all for the day.